Pass a law with blank.
It has to be completely instant.
That is not allowed. Mag-ano pa yung tao, ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Ano bang ilagay natin dito? In the same manner, yung mga blanco-blanco dyan, corresponds to that particular item, is free to just fill up the amount. Eh, para ka binigyan ka ng blanco check dyan, o sige, bahala na kung anong ilagay ninyo.
Yes.
Sir, kunin lang po namin yung reactions ninyo regarding
Yung?
reactions niyo, sir, regarding sa allegation po ni former President Duterte regarding sa blank item.
He's lying. He's a president. He knows that you cannot pass a GAA without with a blank. He's lying. He's lying because he knows perfectly well that that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo. So, it's a lie.